Look at this horse shit, YouTubers. Look at this. Oh yeah, have I had the garage door open? No. Where'd all these leaves come from? Pennsylvania? Can we say that asshole Nick sent me a box full of leaves? Oh yeah. Right.
Never mind the router and the switch and the power supply and the Christmas card.
Yeah, that's gonna be all in its own video. Nick! Can you hear me now? Nick!
Put the glue down. Quit sniffing.
Uh-oh. The buzzer ain't working.
Maybe the batteries are dead.
I don't know, eh? Hello? Are the batteries dead?
Sounds like it. Dear Lord.
Yep. Alright, Nick, I'm going. I got stuff to do, water to blow up, hot water heaters to burn up, you know. Same old crap. Just an everyday job. Look at all the goddamn fireworks. Oh, hell. What time is it? Oh, 11:30. I gotta run out to the lumber store and buy 2 new concrete blocks to set that water heater on.
I thought those were to put your tracks on.
Huh?
I thought those were to put your tracks up on.
Bye, asshole. Well, it's off there. And let me tell you one thing. For a little bit of old 6-gallon water heater, yeah, that sunbucket is heavy. Yeah. Anyhow, yeah, as you can see, it's like old as dirt is. Yeah. Anyway, I got plans for this because it does have a new element in it. And yeah, you'll see what my plans are of that. Yeah. Now it's time to finish hooking up the stuff. Yeah, stuff I say. Stuff. Let's see. I need something to prop up underneath there. Oh yeah, roll of tape. Yeah, let's see if that'll work. Oh yeah, perfect. Got the old trusty old, yeah, redneck step ladder here. Oh yeah. Sure, I got this out of the trash, but it's just fine. Just 'cause it's old doesn't mean a darn thing. At least too much for me. Anyhow, now. Okay. Well, there is this one. Got it like a hole. Let's see what happens. Right there. And I'm going to do this. Maybe one more. Yeah, something's been. I hope that break. Oh. Where did I go? Yeah, it should be good to turn on. But yeah, we're going to turn on. I'm going to you go back in here first. And see off. Yeah, you want to get it on a corner so I can keep it. Because I take my whole highlight. And yeah, you know, I got it, I guess. I don't know. Actually, what this stuff was, you know, what was it? I think it is CPVC. I don't know. See much it was. I just, you know, see what I find it. And here's the water line. So I reckon we'll, yeah. We're going to start fabbing up that part on the corner. That way I can fasten that up and pull it back where it belongs. Yeah, before I turn the water on. Yeah. And I'm hoping that I can tie it into this. Yeah, I guess we will see about this deal. Gotta do it down. Yeah, I gotta take this out. This here shelf. Exhaust fan's attached pretty good. Yeah. And I'm hoping that this will be 220. And that we can use this because they used to have a hot tank in here. And I'm hoping that that's the hot tank. plug, and it is 220, I'm hoping. Yeah. For now, let's get this shelf out of here and out of the way, because I'm going to run one down to the approximate spot. Anyway, well, tubers, it's somewhat roughed in. It only took me, I don't know, 3.5 hours to get this far. Yeah, the water's still off. The wife is due home anytime. So I'm going to turn it on to see if my valve works. And yeah, I was talking to the guys at the Farm and City Supply where I get my stuff at, Ace. And yeah, that's that polybutylene or whatever it is, I don't know. Anyhow, let's see what happens. I'm going to leave the camera going, point it up there, and hopefully we don't have any leaks on my shutoff valve side. Hope. Yeah, hope. Yeah. Maybe if it does, it'll probably freaking drench this damn camera. Keep your fingers crossed, tubers. Well, she's on, and yeah, so Kay Robertson can see my patchwork. This is what I did. That's not a good sign. Maybe, hopefully it's what was in the line that dripped out. Anyway, I attached that polybutylene with a steel fitting pipe, and then went into that to plastic fitting, in that. Now I got my shutoff valve, and this is going to go to the water heater cold, and I'm also going to split it here and go down and around and put a spigot inside the garage while I got it all, yeah, apart. And so far so good, yay. And yeah, right back on it. So the battery's about to go dead. I'm gonna throw this on the charger and yada yada, clean up my mess, get ready to bring another water heater in there, get that one out of here so I can tear it apart, because I'm gonna make something out of that. You guys will see later. And that's what the water heater used to set on. I'm gonna reuse that. I'm gonna hang it up here on the wall, put the security system, yeah, right now it's off, yeah, but don't worry, it'll be on before night, and hang it there so I can have the camera up on top of that, because for some reason this refrigerator, I don't know, just draws water up on top of it. No reason, no idea why, but yeah, let's get on it and make the wife happy that the water's running in the house. Yeah. Well, tubers, yeah, little mess, yeah. The water heater wasn't all the way drained when I changed that bottom element. Yeah, there's one element, and there's the other one. I just changed them both. More than likely it's probably the thermostat that's bad, but those are fairly simple to change. Let's see, the new plumbing. Yeah, it only took me, I don't know, all afternoon and about 180 bucks. And yeah, I added that. That goes out to the shop. It's another spigot, and it goes just to the shop, and that's it. And I figure, what the heck, we might as well, yeah, let's, I ain't turned the water on yet. Let's give her a try and see what happens here. Yeah, see if we got any leaks. I did put that separate shutoff valve in. I hear lots of water running. Yeah, filling that water heater up. through the line. I did replace the hot water lines just because I didn't want to screw with them. Yeah. Good God, that water's really blurping out. So far it seems to be going, yeah, pretty good. I got that cracked, that way it can push the air out of the tank as it's filling. And yeah, filling it is. Full blast now. Yep. Well, so far so good. I still got to do all the wiring on this, and good God. That was a little there blew out. Yeah. I'll show you guys the outside spigot in the shop that I put in. Yeah. Nothing fancy. Right there. No, it's not one of them freeze ones, but it doesn't. Yeah, I think it'll be fine. Yep. Yep, we got water to hot now. Well, folks, now all I got to do is, yeah, do the wiring. Yay. Yay, yay, yay. Uh-oh, what do we got there? A little bit of water. I don't know if I like that. Oh, come on, focus. Got a little bit of water there. I don't know. We'll just have to watch it, I reckon. Yeah. Other than that, everything else seems to be alright, except for that little bit of water. Yeah. Oh yeah, maybe it'll seal itself, huh? Yeah. I don't know, something seems to be loose yet. That sucks. Tank seems to be alright though. Guess it could be sweat, but I really don't reckon it being sweat, because it really ain't hot in here. Yeah. Oh well, we'll watch it and see what happens. Yeah. Well, so that's my adventures in the plumbing today. Yeah, I'm gonna Go borrow an electric tester, and I'm hoping that there's 220. Yeah, I do hear something dripping. Ah. Yeah, fixed. Well, heck, I reckon. Yeah, the electrical part. Yay. And we'll find out if it even works. Okay, tubers. Yeah. What the hell? Yeah, I'm standing in water. Yeah. Working on electrical. Yeah. Why not? I'm a redneck. Yeah. Yeah. I use this 210 wiring for the hot water heater because that's what Nick says is right. Right, Nick?
Yeah.
If it's wrong and it burns up, it's your fault. Let's see, I hooked it to this breaker. Come on, focus, you damn thing. And now we're going to pop the breaker in. Oh, maybe. Oh, wrong way. Yeah, I forgot. Goes in like this. And then it goes in. There we go. Okay. What, Nick? I have them set on A. Alright, tubers. Well, why not? Let's flip it and see what happens. Well, it didn't kick it back off. That's good, isn't it, Nick?
Yeah, now go in while you're standing in the water, touch the hot water heater.
Why? What will that do?
Well, if you got a short somewhere, on the ground, get juice.
Yeah, we're going to go in and see if we can hear the elements kicking on. You should hear something.
No, they're quiet usually.
Yeah, I don't hear nothing. Anyway, tubers. Yeah, we hooked it to there, and they had a jumper wire from there to there. Well, I didn't like what the other wire looked like, so I took a short piece with Nick's advice and just changed it all together. And I'm touching the water heater. Nick, touching it.
What you want to do is make sure you're getting voltage. If you don't have a meter.
Yeah, hold on. Sit there, I'll go get the meter and check. I did go borrow that.
You want to make sure that you want to put the meter on the screws that's going to the element, and that'll tell you if the elements are getting power. You got it?
I got the meter. Oh, better put it on AC/DC, right? Okay. Huh?
AC.
AC/DC, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright.
Put the two probes on the screws on screws to the element. You should get voltage.
231. C2 versus 231. And let's check the bottom one. Uh-oh. There's nothing on the bottom one.
Well, that's why you burned out your top element. The bottom thermostat quit working. And the top element was trying to do all the heating. You're just going to burn up another element.
See if I got power to the thermostat. I don't know what I'm doing there.
You have power coming off the jumper you put down there.
I can't tell. No?
That means there's something wrong up top. You might have a bad unit up top.
Uh-huh.
If you leave that hot water heater running like that, you're going to burn up an element.
Hush up 'em. Okay, it's hot there. It's hot there. I bet it's losing hot right there. Yep, it lost hot right there.
What do you mean?
Well, it's kind of hard to explain, but there's the wire there. It says plus. And yeah, it jumps over and it's not getting hot to it for some reason. So that would be the bad. The front top thermostat.
So that means your top thermostat has the possibility of running constantly, which could be why it's burned out.
That means the top thermostat's bad, right?
Could be, but you want to replace both of them at the same time.
Yeah, I ain't gonna do that.
You're going to want to do that. But either way, you don't want to leave the hot water heater on.
Let's see. Is there some way I can jump it across to see if if the bottom one will work?
I recommend doing it. You can't really work it because the thermostat on the top controls, they work together.
Yeah. I'm looking at stuff here.
The bottom one works
Yeah. Looking at stuff here.